Kelly from Tech Redneck, and today I want to talk to you about the elements that make up a good marine-grade outdoor monitor. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Nauticomp monitor. It's a Signature Series 2 model, and it has all the elements necessary for us to really talk about what makes one of these things work. Today we're going to leave this monitor in the unpowered condition so that we can have a look at the features of it, and then in another episode we'll take a look at what the features are when they're turned on and what makes them different from what you would find in a normal display. Again, this is the Signature 2 series monitor from Nauticomp, and it's really a good example of what goes on in a marine grade monitor. First, the enclosure is all aluminum, has a very durable finish on it. It's extremely rugged for being in that environment. It gives a lot of rigidity and strength to the display. The glass in the face of these is a hardened glass cover over the LCD. The advantage of doing that is it protects the LCD itself from the elements and creates a more durable product for use in the marine environment. Cover glass like this also has been coated with a coating that prevents both glare and reflection, so that your eyes are not competing with sunlight in order to see the display within the monitor. Since these monitors have cover glass in them, it creates a potential problem for increasing the amount of heat and for light to play tricks between the display and the LCD glass. So what's done about that is something called optical bonding. Optical bonding is where we glue the glass and the LCD together so that there's no opportunity for heat to build up between the glass and the LCD, so there's no chance for light to interrupt what you're seeing between the two. It actually raises the image all the way to the surface of the glass, so you get much wider angular readability. It increases the effective contrast ratio, which makes the display look brighter and more readable. The optical bonding that we've done here makes a big difference in how these things work. Another element of a marine display is its ability to dim. So this display is very bright. It can be as much as 700 nits, which is quite daylight readable inside a pilot house in a boat or under a bimini top. It can also be dimmed all the way down until literally the display goes off. The advantage of that, in fact the importance of that, is that at night when you're on a boat or in any security application or a variety of other applications where night vision is important, a typical display would blind you completely. With this display, because we can take it down in very fine increments all the way to black, you can find something that's comfortable for nighttime use and still bright enough for use in normal daylight. Further to that, this monitor has a red screen capability that also works to preserve your night vision in combination with the dimming. Another significant element of a marine grade monitor are these silicone buttons. They're completely waterproof. They are backlit and illuminated so you can see them at night, and that can be dimmed so they also don't bother your night vision. And they give full access to all the features and capabilities of this display. Next, we'll turn this sideways so that we can get a look at what the overall configuration of the display is like. You'll notice the display is quite low in profile with all the electronics contained inside, and has this flush area here which is suitable for mounting the display flush against a flat console. You'll also see here this one's been fitted with a ram mount for a freestanding mount, and actually when we turn it more you'll see that it has a standard VESA style mount that accommodates other types of mounting. Looking here at the back of the display, we can again see the VESA mount, which is a standard size. There are many off-the-shelf mounts that will work with something like this. It's very suitable for a lot of applications. You'll also notice that the entire back is completely sealed, in fact so well sealed that this thing can be submerged if necessary. The connectors on the back are a mil-spec marine grade connector. They're completely waterproof. They have gold plated pins which are very resistant to corrosion. They're extremely strong, and they're keyed so that when you plug a connector into them, there's no chance that you'll get the thing plugged in the incorrect position or put power to pins that it shouldn't be on. The other thing you'll notice about this display as we look at it is there are quite a number of connectors on the back of it. This particular split supports up to 3 composite inputs, 2 VGA inputs, and a DVI input. Again, a big necessity in a lot of marine applications where multiple pieces of equipment may want to be displayed under different circumstances on the same display. I'm Kelly the Tech Redneck. This is the Nauticomp Signature Series 2, and we'll see you next time.